You might be on the fence with chains for tracks. Well, in this video, we wanted to just go over everything, the added benefits of the chains on your tracked machine. For so many years, tracked machines were terrible in the winter. The options that you had available were not very good. As our previous video, we explained studs, which was a very common traction enhancing device that operators would use, just wasn't the best. If you were to buy a machine for winter use, majority of the time the sales reps would recommend the wheeled machine because you can install chains on the wheels. Even the owner himself, when he went to go purchase his brand new machine, he's a stonemason by trade, he was looking to buy a wheeled machine since he lives 5,000 feet above elevation in the mountains. So he gets really heavy winters. When he was told that the only available machine would be a track machine, he was pretty concerned just because he needed something for the winter as well. And that's where chains for tracks evolved and came to be. But now you can install chains on the tracks. So you just took a fantastic summer machine into an all year round machine. You can now operate it just the same that you did in the summertime as you can in the wintertime. For clearing snow, you can climb up steep inclines that are icy without any problems. You can even side hill with these machines without worrying about sliding down, which can be very dangerous. You are now confidently able to operate your machine in the wintertime. That means less man hours of operating the machine, of snow plowing or around your farm, being able to get into the pastures to bring hay to your cows and horses. Those are all scenarios that we have heard from customers that have purchased our chains. You save on fuel for not having to climb up a steep incline of ice and snow, flip around and then plow it, pushing it downhill. You can now push the snow with the chains for tracks going uphill. It's super efficient, being able to save on time of plowing and save on fuel, and the most importantly, the life-saving aspect. You can confidently operate your tracked machine on snow and ice and all of those slippery conditions and know that when you need to stop, you will be able to stop. When you need to be able to climb something, you can climb something. So the chains are made of hardened steel, right? So a lot of people have the concerns of, are they gonna bend on me? And so these chains, or the brackets, the steel, are made from the strongest steel that we could source to be able to bend it without actually snapping the steel. And so we are confident in the product working as it should with the chain, the brackets, the nut and bolt, but also we offer a 1-year manufacturer warranty because we stand behind our product. We know it works, we're confident in it. I've operated a machine with these chains myself, and hundreds of other people have trusted our chains on their machines with their equipment, with their guys, because it works. But you also have that peace of mind of a 1-year manufacturer warranty with any defects, any bending, any welds breaking, whatsoever. Contact us and we'll get it resolved and figured out. Another added benefit with the chains is the ability to load your machine onto your trailer, whether it's a flatbed, gooseneck. There's no need to take the chains off when you're backing or driving your machine up onto the ramps. You don't have to worry about sliding off of it, because all those things can be very dangerous. As well as with this coming season, there's no need to have to buy another set of tracks to use during the winter time. That can be a hassle, taking them off, putting them back on. They're very heavy. It's not like you can just keep them stored around or carry them if you need to move them, but also that's very expensive. Buying another set of tracks just to use in the wintertime, where you can do way better, way more efficient, have way more traction with just installing chains on a block track. What are you getting when you purchase a set of chains? What is it that you're receiving in your order? You're gonna get 14 of these chains, of these links in a set. And so that'll be 7 per side. The reason why we did 7 and not just any other number is because when you're operating this machine and it's rotating around, you will always have 3 chains on the ground at all times. That's something that we specifically do for that reason. It not only creates more traction, but it also eliminates the effect of what we call the teeter-totter effect. So as these chains are rotating around, they're consistently being even. If we had any less than that, your machine's gonna start tipping, kind of rocking back and forth as you're trying to operate it, and it's just not gonna be an enjoyable experience. And so by having the 7 evenly spaced, you're able to create a smooth motion. So for a full recap of everything that we've explained for this video, they are cost effective. No need to buy another set of tracks when you can just put these chains on there and be way more efficient with the added traction. They are life-saving. And the best of all, it is 100% made in America. Everything has been designed, manufactured, all here in Idaho.